Welcome. Today I want to talk about the research project that's due November 30th. Remember, your first step during the research project is always to log into Google Classroom. Once in Google Classroom, on the left-hand side, you can click under Topics and click on Adobe Spark. That will automatically filter the assignments according to that topic, and the actual research project should then be at the top. You can make sure you're in the right place because it says due November 30th. Now I'm working with the assumption that you have already completed steps 1 and 2, which were due quite a while ago. Now, if you have not done 1 and 2, then you need to take the time to pause this video and go and finish these 2 steps. Now you're on step 3, which is doing the research and focusing on the platform you're going to use in which to present. So now I want to introduce you to the links at the bottom of the research project. The link that is most important is the Important Links for Research Project, because you have already familiarized yourself with the research topics and completed your form based on the research you want to do. So using that information, the responses that you put in for your research project form, right here, click here to find your response. This is the information that you will use to help you in your research. The other important item is Important Links for Research Project. Please click on that now. Once it opens up, you will see a number of items on the list. I am just going to do a quick preview of each one, and then there'll be other videos that focus specifically on each item. Number 1 is for your actual research. If you are finding it difficult to locate reliable resources, please go to the EBSCO Research Database and use it to find any resources that are relevant to your research topic. Use number 2, Checklist, if you are using Google to search for sources. Once you find a website that you wish to use, please open the Website Evaluation Checklist and follow each of the steps to find out if it is a reliable source. Number 3, if you are using the Scribble extension in Chrome to help you with annotation, works cited, or bibliography, and keeping track of your sources, please remember to have this extension installed and follow along with it. Number 4, if you're doing the research paper, please make sure you visit the rubric here and go through each of these steps to help you in the process of doing the research paper. If you plan to do a speech, you will be looking at the oral presentation rubric. If you wish to do a multimedia presentation like Adobe Spark, you will be using the multimedia rubric. Remember, multimedia means multiple types of media like text, imagery, video, and audio. Number 7 is presentation demonstration. In this one, which I have not seen anyone choose a topic that would fall under it, it's where you're actually demonstrating a skill that you've researched and learned about. Step number 8 is to remember to share your creation with me. You will attach it in Google Classroom or turn it into the box at the back of the room. Everyone has to have a works cited page or bibliography. That is not just for research papers. Number 9, all notes must be turned in from your research. You can put them all in a Google document named Notes for Research and then share it with me, or you may add them to Scribble. And at a later time, I will show you how to share that information with me as well. Also, if you are doing handwritten notes, you can turn them in at the back of the room. That is a quick overview of the Important Links page, and at this time you can go to the next videos that go over each of these different elements.